What is up, you guys? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen, and I'm still at my house. But I am on my way to Walmart, and I kind of want to show you guys like my office, just a little bit, my new office. Remember I told you guys that I did move, so I've been in the mix of moving, and then I told you guys that my MacBook was completely broken, but then I upgraded, so I should be getting back into the things. Anyways, so I am here at my house, and I was actually doing my morning routine of checking Brickseek for clearance, and I'm kind of like a little, not depressed, but a little down, only because the area that I moved to is like super country, and I only have like one Walmart that's like 8 minutes away from me, and there's another one which is like 25 minutes away, and then all the other ones are like 35 minutes away. So bear with me while I try to look for clearance, but I want to show you guys what I just found. So remember, you guys, I do use Brickseek as a reference for all my clearance finds. I do have a how to use Brickseek video on my channel for you guys to check that out, and I will be, maybe hopefully in the future, will be redoing that video since it is a couple years old and a lot of things has changed on the website. But we have a lot of clearance at Walmart for diapers, so a lot of diapers are being marked down just like every year. So around this time, like let's say like around May, end of April, all the diapers typically go on clearance because they are repackaging. I was just searching, and I've been on the hunt for these, and I have not had any luck looking for them. So I was just looking, and bam, I got an alert that my local Walmart, which is, like I said, about 8 minutes away, has these for $1.62, and these retail to almost like about $6. This says $4.97 here, but they are usually like around $6, $5 in store. So we have these Loves for $1.62, okay? And then we have these big Pamper boxes that retail to like about $30, $25. So there's a whole bunch for up to 70% off. So let's get ready and check if we can find them at my store. Alrighty, y'all, here we are. Hopefully we are not late to the game, because I was here yesterday and I was scanning some diapers, and for some reason they were not popping up on clearance. So maybe it's because they went on clearance today, but we are going to find out. Wish me luck. So I'm a little upset because I found nothing whatsoever. I think someone came. I'm just kidding. Okay, I was a little interrupted by people. I didn't want to film in front of someone because she was looking at the diapers, and I'm like, oh my god, I think she's looking for them. I was gonna ask her if she wanted some, but she was looking at like the Huggies brand, which isn't on clearance, so I don't know. Before anybody speaks anything, remember that this is my page. I can do what I want. I can buy whatever I want. So a little disclaimer, you guys don't know what I'm planning on doing with this, whether I sell it or I donate it. It honestly isn't anybody's issues. I honestly plan on donating it. Thinking about like driving around here. I just don't know, because this is not my area, so I don't know a lot of people around here. I was gonna like maybe like see who's around and like buy them, be like, hey, did you guys need diapers? Like, you guys can have them or whatever. But other than that, if I do have a surplus and I do end up buying them and I do end up selling them, again, it is nobody's issue, okay? Anyways, so this is what we found. We found a couple of these here, which I thought it was a big box, but it wasn't a big box. It is actually the little packages, whatever one, which they retail for $6.47 for these. And I found a whole bunch. I just cannot reach them because remember, I'm only 5 foot, so I cannot reach the rest. But these are on clearance for $1.62. $1. And I'm pretty sure that there is insert coupon somewhere, but I do not have so it is what it is. These babies right here, we have size 4. Oh wait, let me show you guys the barcode. I keep on forgetting. So here's the barcode for these, which they're P&G, so most likely they actually qualify for like the P&G like get cashback thing rebate online. If I do find the link, I will post it down in the description box below. So that's the barcode for the Loves, the newborn ones. These Pampers, the Cruisers, are also on clearance. They retail to $27.72 a box, okay? Found size 4, size 7, Yes, so far in my store, size 4 and size 7 are the ones on clearance. I think size 5 was on clearance, but I couldn't really find any. I know the ones in the bottom are also on clearance, but it's not that much of like a big difference. They retail to $39 and I think they're on clearance for $17, so not that much off, I believe. Or no, I think they were like $9, honestly, the big box. I'll check it. I'll show you guys here in the little picture. But these right here, they retail to $27 and they're actually on clearance for $6 and some change. So I think $6.82, I believe. I will post a little picture here of how much they cost. So $6.80 each box retails to $27.72, so about 70% off or 80% off. I can't do math right now, you guys. I'm excited. For the size 7 Pampers, the Pampers Cruisers, look out for the Pampers Cruisers. I did scan a lot of these. It was only the Cruisers that were on clearance. Also, be on the lookout for these. These in a lot of stores are actually $1.99, so $1.99 for these, the Hello Bello ones and the bagged ones, and I think the boxes ones were also on clearance, but my store there is nothing on clearance. These are just only $1 off. So over here is the barcode for the size 7. And as you can see, it does say Super Pack. And again, I'm pretty sure there's coupons for them. I'm pretty sure I have them at home, but I was just excited to just jump out the house and quickly get them. So that is the size 7. And then as for the size 4, they're also $6.80. And here's the barcode for that. Again, Pampers Cruisers, size 4. I'm excited, you guys. I'm going to continue to scan the area. I know there's other clearance here, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I find on clearance and see what else we can find. So I've been walking around the store for like about maybe 30 minutes. I haven't found anything else except for these Pioneer Woman. These are like old. This is like from like Christmas time, and I'm surprised that a lot of stores still have them. These Pioneer Woman bed sheets comforter set comes with like everything. It's a 4-piece. They only have it in twin and queen. Which, I mean, not queen, it's full and queen, so I'm kind of upset for that because now I have a king size bed. The regular price for them is $69, and when you scan it, they're actually $18. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the barcode for that, if I can find it out right here. So there's the barcode for that. Scan it either with Brickseek or Walmart to see if your stores have it. But so far it's only like this color. During Christmas time they had like 4 different designs, and it looks like this is like the only one that's left out of all of them. Other than the diapers, that's all I'm getting. I did find a whole bunch of Mandalorian stuff on clearance, which is super cute. And then of course my necessities, we need milk and juice. It's pretty much it, but that's all I found here. I think I'm done. I'm gonna go home now and relax, edit this video, and that's it. All right, mama's been working today. Whew, look at my face. It is hot today in Florida. So I ended up not finding anything else on clearance. I did find a mother of 2 at the checkout line, and I was staring at her daughter. Her daughter was so adorable, and she seemed like she was size 4 in diapers. So I was like, you know what? Let me ask her before I come home with all these diapers. And I went ahead and asked her like, hey, this is random, but is she size 4? And she's like, she actually is. Like, that's weird. And I was like, okay, well, I actually found these for like $6 each, and you know, I might as well donate a couple to you. So, you know, like, are you fine with that? And then it was cute because she was like, oh my god, you're gonna make me cry. And I was like, no, stop, like, you're gonna make me cry. So that was my good deed for today. Oh my god, sorry, I'm tearing up. Anyways, so yeah, if you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Of course, always and truly, especially my day 1 supporters, always. Let's reach 100K this year, you guys. Let's reach 100K. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I do post a lot of TikToks now. I'm trying to get into the rhythm of that. And of course, Instagram. Also bear with me with posting videos. Like I said, I'm still trying to catch everything up in my new home and try to, you know, make my life together a little bit. So it's just a lot been going on. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, I love y'all. Bye.